Here I am with my Yamaha Virago 250. Open up the oil compartment. About to let it all drain out, all the old stuff. Got an 11/15 size ratchet. Gonna open the oil drain plug here. That thing loosened up. Be careful when you don't want to drop that plug into the oil. So get that thing draining. I'm using some can 145 oil filter and 10W40 oil for this bike. There's 3 Allen key screws that you need to unlock to get the oil filter. One long one medium, one small. And take that old oil filter out of there. Should be pretty dirty. Brand new one, throw it in. After that, close everything back up. Make sure you close your oil drain plug. Fill her up. You're good.